Hi everyone, this is Tom from Karbon. So I made a spreadsheet for those who are actually managing multiple Karbon account using their paid TradingView account. So how does that work? Well, so let me show you the column B and C. They have formulas, so I wouldn't touch these cells here. It's the same with column I. Okay, so basically it has a date. So if you want to register this, you just put the current date. You can just put your cursor down, hit Control semicolon. That will give you the current date, and it also immediately calculate the expiration date, which is 60 days from now, and then tomorrow this will be 59, and so forth and so forth. You put that person's name. You need to get the Karbon email. So basically, let's, for example, you're in a group, family group, and they're all in Karbon, right? And they're doing data farming individually. So now they all have to upgrade to a paid, because you can't use your free account anymore to create alert, because TradingView restrict you from creating an alert and not allow you to have any alerts. So you have to upgrade to do the data farming, okay, using the webhook URL and message body that we give you in your account. So what we do is you're gonna decide out of the 10 who will be the one that will upgrade to a essential plan, basically, that allows you to have 20 alert for free, right? Now, let's say the plan costs $200. That means that you can divide by 10. Everybody should pay you $20, right? This is for a year, $20 a year. Each person will send you money for that amount. You then, the person who upgrades to the essential plan, will have to manage all of them, all their data farming. And to do that, each of the Karbon account, each person will have to send you the following information via email, and then you take the information, you update this spreadsheet. Okay, so they need to send their Karbon email, webhook, message body, and the TradingView charts. So let's pretend I'm in one of their member account. You need to click on My NFT, click on Renew Start Your Data Farming. So we have the webhook URL and the message body. So they can just copy these, send an email to you, right? But we also need the chart. So you have to click on this. That will open up the chart. They will also have to copy that and send you in the email as well. So that's three things. The last thing is that if you forgot what your Karbon email will be, you just go into your profile, click on profile. Here will be your Karbon email. So those are the four things that you need to log into your account. Send an email to the person who's in charge of doing the data farm for you. So you have to send them. So he will then take it from the email and record each one of you guys this information here. Okay. Now, so let's say I'm gonna do my uncle. Okay. Data farm today. So he sent me everything already. So let me go ahead and copy. So I'm just gonna put today's date, and automatically calculate 60 days from now, right? And then there's a countdown in days remaining. So I'll just put uncle here, and then so basically I'm reading the email that he sent me, okay? And I'm just gonna copy this, pretend these are his TradingView information that he sent me. So it automatically calculates the alert name for you, okay? So now that you have that, you then, to create the data farm for the uncle, you will click on the chart, okay? That will open the chart. So let me click on that. So this is my pay account, right? This is the person who's managing, right? So let's say this is the person who's managing all the account. You will then click on Strategy Tester, click on Collective X Report, and then click on Add Alert. You will have to extend 60 days. In the essential plan, you will have to click inside. Now mine has an open-ended, so it never expires, but you have a chance to actually select the last day that's available to have this alert running. So if it's today is June 5th, there will be August 5th. Okay, so you will select August 5th. And down the bottom here, you can just click on set 2005 August 5th. Okay, and click on set. When you do that, then the message body, well, we have the message body from the uncle. You need to go to the spreadsheet, and you will copy the message body here, and you will paste it in the alert. Just like that. Need a custom name. Well, on the spreadsheet, already create that custom name for you, the alert name. You just paste it in here, okay? And then lastly is the notification. So I already checked this already, but usually if you have something that is checked, okay, I want you to uncheck them all and then check the webhook URL. Just go ahead and delete all this that was inside, because you creating everybody's alert, and the webhook URL will stay there from the previous one. Okay, so clear everything out. Let's go back to the uncle and copy the webhook URL from the uncle. Let's go back into TradingView and just paste in there. So we need the webhook URL, the message body, okay, from the uncle, and this alert name we created so that we know it's from the uncle. Click on alert. So here it is. The uncle is up here, okay, and so the alerts have been created. So that's done. So so the uncle data form is done. So if it's going down to maybe 9 days, it does become a red cell, okay. So you can just, it's their job really to email you the information and keep up when the time is expired. So if they go into their account, it's their job really to see the date countdown and then reach out to you. So when the first time you notice that we need all this information, right, in an email from them, right, all this information here from them in an email. But the second time, when it's expired, close to be expired, all you need from them is they know that it's going to be expired soon. They just need to send you the chart only. So the next 60 days, they will come to my NFT, click on renew, start your data farming, and they will have to click on that. Okay, that will open a new chart, copy that chart, and then you can paste it back in here, and then you start doing the data farm for that uncle again. So you will have to delete the old one and create the alert again. Okay, go through that same process, but this is static, right? These fields are static, so you don't have to ask them for that information again. You're just asking for, hey, give me your next chart, because this button, every time you open this, you click on this button, it always open a different chart in your account. Okay, but we need that new chart to create a data farm for that account. Okay, so that's all they have to do. Everybody will have to send you on the second time for data farming. And it's when about to expire, they're gonna send an email, say, hey, can you do my data farming for me? Here's my chart. And that person who's responsible for the paid account will do that. So that way you save a lot of money doing so. Okay, but other than that, if you have any question, please let me know, and or submit a support ticket and we will help you then. All right, bye.